wordplay, not what the herbs say. I play the portrait, you can never forfeit. Try and get my pockets heavy or fit. See fortune before the coffin, the casket. I'm something fresh verse where the corpse is. Put the raw against the corporate force fit. I describe the past, torch lit and held it. I'm doing me now, so fuck your nostalgia. Your little mixtape, your EP, your album. This is separate the outcome. No challenge you can balance on my fulcrum. I'm too fly, pull the feathers out of Falcon. From an era, get your jaw split for knocking. Haters suck dick with a curve like a dog leg. Ain't even copulating yet, this is foreplay. Speakers pulsate, long as my pulse stay. My forte, turn obstacles to walkways. Parlay with the patterns till the bar raised. I forgot the fear in your flawed ways. I'm putting fear in a fraud's face. Tap jaws and rap over raw breaks. Your verse is light as playmates wait. Create my wordplay, grade A, great. Rappers vacate to say they face. Probably mad I convey what they ain't. Egos get chopped, making stop sign paint. These boys after props turn crocodile bait. I sip cocktails, cool and create. You ride waves, I move against the grain. Establish my lane, we are not the same. Twist syllables like a sprain, do you feeling my pain? Reptilian brain, thoughts full of venom. Another rapper smothered, complexion color of denim.